What if I told you you can use those paid AI websites absolutely free with unlimited access? Yeah, I'm talking about the big names like Google Gemini 2.5, ChatGPT-5, Grok 4, and many more. And the best part is you can even generate images with Google Nano Banana and unlimited videos with Google Veo 3. And no, I'm not joking. In today's video, I'll show you how to use all these models completely free without paying a single penny, and the best part is you don't have to insert your credit card or any other details. So the website we are using is actually a testing platform. When big AI models are launched, they are often released there first for testing. People try them, give feedback, and once the model works well, then it's released publicly. So today we're going to use that testing platform for our advantage. Okay, so now head over to LLaMA.ai. I'll put the link in the description. And once you are here, you just need to create your account. So just click on login button right over here and continue with Google. Alright, so once you are logged in, you will be redirected to the main workspace of the platform. This is where all the magic happens. Okay, so from this space, accessing the different AI model is super simple. Just click on the drop down and select direct chat. After selecting direct chat, a new drop-down will appear, letting you to choose the specific model you want to use. So there's a lot of model. So let me just use GPT-5 chat and write a basic prompt like hi, and then I'll hit enter, and there you go. We're getting the response from GPT-5 chat. But that's not all. The platform offers a wide variety of other models as well. You can use Claude AI from Anthropic, Gemini from Google, GPT-5 High, and a lot of models like LLaMA, Mistral, Q, and Command, Amazon Nova, Grok. There's a lot of models that you can try. And here's a really useful feature. You can even compare two models side by side. This is the perfect if you are doing a research, testing, or just want to see which AI gives the best output for a specific prompt. To do that, just click on the drop down again and just go on side by side. Now here you will see two drop down. So here, let me select a model, GPT-5 High, and let me select another model, GPT 2.5 Pro. And if I write a prompt and send, then both of those AI models will respond to us simultaneously. This makes it easy to analyze differences, pick the best response, or just to have a fun comparison between two AI models. And that's how we can use two models, and you can even rate the responses as well. So let me select GPT-5 High is better. You can even rate the model performance as well. There's another feature called Battle Mode. Battle Mode lets you pit two anonymous AI models against each other. So to do that, just click on the drop down again, then just go on Battle. In here, users need to enter a prompt. So if I write what is AI, then two anonymous AI will start generating response. And based on the result, I can vote one is better. So here, let me just choose the left one. So if I write that, then it will show us the model name right over here so that we can know from which model we're getting this type of answer. And it is very useful if you want to explore new AI model capabilities. So here you can see we got one response from Claude Sonnet 4.5 and another from Claude 3.5 High. And that's amazing. Alright, so now let's talk about the image generation. If you want to create AI images, then create a new chat, and from here, select direct chat. You can do side by side as well. Okay, so let me go inside the direct chat, and I'll just select this image right over here. And from now, you can choose any image generation model that you want. So here you can see Gemini 2.5 Flash, Nano Banana, Imagen, Flux, and Photon, Recraft, DALL-E. There's a lot of image generation model that you can try. So let me go and select battle, and I'll battle with two anonymous image generation models. So let me give it a prompt. Let me hit the enter, and you can see two anonymous AI models are working on the same prompt. And there we go. We got the response as well. So let me choose this one, and then it will show me the name right over here. And there you go. We got the name of the model as well, Image Generation 4.0 and Flux 1. And that's amazing. Okay, so you can also compare two image generation model as well. Here we can choose the model you want and you can compare them. Okay, so if you want to know about what type of model are doing good in a specific field, like in vision field, in text generation field, then you can do that as well by visiting this leaderboard page. And here you can see which models are performing best, which model has higher score in the text generation, web dev, vision, text to image, and image edit, search, text to video, all you can see, and you can choose the best model from here. All right, so now let's talk about the text to video. To generate text to video, you need to join the Discord server. To do that, you can just click on this drop down. So let me just click on join Discord. Then from here, you will be redirected towards the Discord page. If you don't have your Discord account, then you will be redirected towards the sign up page. And if you have, then you can just log in with your existing ID. So let me just join this Discord server real quick and I'll see you after that. Now, here you can see I have joined the LM Arena Discord server. So let me just skip this. So to generate the video, there are three arena. So let me just go on Video Arena 1. And here you can see a lot of people are generating videos already. So let me just create a new video and show you the output. So to generate the video, you need to enter the command /video. Then click on this and now enter your prompt right over here. So let me write a prompt. Okay, so now let me hit the enter and then the model will start generating video for us. Okay, so just click on agree and it's gonna take some time to complete our generation. So I'll see you after the generation is completed. All right, there we go. Now we got our result and here you can see how perfect the video is. Let me play the video. So now look at the quality of the video, the detail and everything is perfect. Okay, so now let me see the another video. And there you go, it's perfect. And yeah, that's how you can use the best paid model on the market for absolutely free using this website, LM Arena. And yeah, that's much for today's video. I hope you like this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And I'll catch you in the next video with more exciting videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.